What's up, my nerds? My name is Justice, and today we are on our silver image editing badge. And I'm sitting here with my main man, Jake. Oh! What is on your head? Your eyes look absolutely huge. I mean, can we get like a close-up of this? Oh my gosh. Blink.
Justice, help.
Oh my gosh, what is that even for?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh, you gotta take that off because that is creeping me out. As nerdy as I am, that is creeping me out.
Yeah, it was making me sick.
Jeez, okay. Well, yes, our silver silver image editing badge. Let's jump into question one, you cross-eyed fool.
Question one. When it comes to image editing, there are two kinds of edits. What are they?
Basic and advanced, right? Beginner and pro. Basic and advanced is the real answer.
Basic and advanced. Upgrade.
That's right. 2.0.
Question two. Rotate, brightness, color/saturation, and crop are examples of...
Those are basic edits.
Right.
Yes, the brightness, the rotating, the color, the crop, those are all basic types of edits.
Question three. For basic image editing, do you have to download/buy any software?
No. Most cameras and most phones and most computers have software that's already built in to handle those basic image edits, my friend. So no, you don't have to download or buy any new ones. You can just use the built-in ones.
Question four. Some smartphones and apps have built-in tools to change the look of the photo called...
Filters. Yes, some people use filters. They're preset, preset styles, or they change the way a camera will or a photo will look, and they're called filters.
Like my Matrix style I mentioned.
Yeah, your Matrix style filter. Yeah, you filter the fish.
Yes. Question five. Why do people use filters?
The reason why they use it is because it does do this. It makes your photos look interesting and unique and cool and nerdy. Yeah, those photo filters are pretty cool.
They are cool.
Yeah, they're cool.
Question six. Selecting, moving, deleting, adding objects are examples of...
Those, my friend, are advanced edits. Yeah, those are some, more advanced, a little bit more professional. They're advanced types of edits.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't even know those words. They're too advanced for me. Question seven. What's the most popular advanced image editor?
My personal favorite, very popular, maybe you've heard of it, Photoshop. Photoshop. Yeah, Photoshop. It's a really, really popular, advanced, and expensive image editor.
Question 8. Photoshop is expensive. If you don't want to spend the money, what's a good advanced image editor that is free?
So fortunately, there's a free way to do it, to get some of those advanced image edits in with a program or website called Gimp, G-I-M-P. Yeah, there's a free one. It's not as good as Photoshop, so It's rightfully named Gimp.
You get what you pay for.
True.
Unless you're paying for this because you just passed.
Ow, that hurts my neck.
I know, me too.
Really
Shouldn't have done that. Yeah, we just passed, right?
We did. Yeah, that was our silver image editing badge.
Yeah.
That's great because we're chugging along to gold. You better not forget it because you forgot we were on gold on the last badge.
I know.
Don't forget it this time because it's an important stepping stone.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Good luck on your quiz-taking journey.
Yeah. Quiz-taking journey.
Quiz-taking journey.
Yeah.
And so we'll see you next time at Gold. I'm Jaco.
See you later, Jaco. I'm Justice.
And I'll see you later too, Justice.
All right.
Don't do that.
Okay.